Well, I've been here shooting the walls, sanding on other walls, and still texturing on others. But this is a wall how it's come out. The paint is dry. It's like a deep olive color. Let's see if I can get closer to it. Bring some of that texture out so you can see it. Yeah, I hope y'all can see it. Looks like I do. Let's see it from the side a little bit better. But it looks really good. Hopefully it's picking up on something here. On that side over there, texturing over there, sanding up here, doing some other texturing, and it's just